so we're going to check out this back brace. A brand sent me this to make a video over. And I've tried it out a little bit before I started the video. Seems pretty easy. Just go over some of the stuff on here. It's going to be for, you know, if you're pregnant, keep your back tight. What I noticed is it keeps everything squeezed together really nicely. But I can imagine anything that you had done to your back lately, or maybe even not lately, maybe it's something that's ongoing. I can imagine this thing would help you, especially if you're sitting down all day like I am. I'm pretty much at this computer all day or at the office all day, and you see I'm sitting like this now. Usually you end up slouching over by the time you forget to think about it. So this thing's going to help with that too, kind of remind you that you need to keep your back straight. So I'll show you guys how to put it on. Go ahead, position it correctly. So you put that right in the middle of your back, and then we are going to put this side over first. Hit this little Velcro piece right here, and then take these as well and tighten those. So you can see I can sit here, you know, do my work or anything like that. This is going to help me keep my back tight, keep it straight, and prevent any kind of bending over if that's not comfortable with this thing on, because it kind of pinches my skin right here. And so it's just going to kind of help you keep your back straight, keep it in a position that is going to prevent any further agitation to your back. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.